Here in Nevada, the age of consent to have sex is 16 years old. If you have sex with someone under the age of 16, generally in the 14 to 15 year range, that is considered to be a crime of statutory sexual seduction.
A statutory sexual seduction charge is commonly referred to in other states as statutory rape. If the party is 16 or over, there's no crime.
Now, a lot of people sort of react to the term statutory rape by saying, well, it wasn't a rape. I mean, yes, maybe I had sex with a minor, but it was perfectly consensual. She or he invited it. That there was no force, there was no coercion. And the response is that it really doesn't matter, because the law says a minor does not have the ability to consent to sex. So even if it's sort of consensual in a very common sense way of thinking about it, it's still a crime, legally speaking.
Regarding penalties for statutory sexual seduction here in Nevada, the penalty is contingent upon the age of the accused.
If you are under the age of 21 and you have sex with someone under the age of 16, that is a gross misdemeanor, punishable by either 12 months in jail or a $2,000 fine. However, if you are above the age of 21 and you have sex with someone under the age of 16, the penalties are much more severe. It is a Category C felony, punishable by 1 to 5 years of imprisonment in the Nevada Department of Corrections. Further, the penalties also encompass sex offender registration, which often can be for life. A lot of people assume that if someone had a false ID or falsely told someone they were above the age of 16, that's a defense. In Nevada, it's not. It's a strict liability crime. So if someone is under the age of 16 and you have sexual relations with them, you can be charged with the crime of statutory sexual seduction.
Now we find that this offense of statutory rape, unlawful sex with a minor, is really one where a lot of people do get wrongly accused. And one of the reasons is that the accused may not have had actual sex with the person. So they may have kissed, there may have been heavy petting, cuddling, sort of romantic interaction that came close to sex, but no actual penetration. And if that's the case, then it's not the crime of statutory rape. Secondly, we see a lot of false accusations. Minors make accusations against adults all the time for a host of reasons. Sometimes they feel neglected, they're jealous, they're bitter, they're angry. So a lot of times it's he said, she said situations where we have a client who's been falsely accused.
These cases are not always easy for the prosecution to prove because often the witnesses are reluctant to participate in the proceedings.